at Philadelphia. Hold up. Just thought that's fucking Wendy's, bro. I'm kind of hungry and shit, you know. Here's my bike and shit. Yeah, we chilling, we chilling. We just at the station and shit. Yeah, we outside. Yes, sir. We in the station right now. It looked pretty cool. It looked pretty cool. I'm not gonna hold you. We chilling. We better go outside right now. Let's see what's up. Okay. We in fucking Philadelphia, bro. Hold up. W shit. Oh yeah, bro, Philly is mad cool, I'm not gonna lie. Philly's cool as shit, bro. I fuck with this. Oh, I think I know what that is, bro. I seen it in fucking YouTube videos and shit. Oh yeah, I've seen this shit in hella videos, bro. Cool. Now I'm here in person, bro. Okay. Yes, sir. Torn shit. You're a worm, bro. Okay. Well, first time I've ever been to this park. He's just fucking seen this shit in videos mad times. Now I'm actually here. That's mad cool. Cool. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the RideOut got canceled. So that's tough. That's tough as fuck. But Yeah. This shit cool though. Anyone else coming out? What's up, bro? Bruh. You know the RideOut got canceled, bro? That's crazy. It literally got canceled like 30 minutes before the RideOut even started, bro. That's crazy. Bro, I'm just chilling in the spot. Look at that waterfall though. Ooh. This actually looks dope. Yeah, I'm just like chilling at this spot. Probably literally gonna fucking sleep here or something. I'm thirsty as fuck. I just been outside like exploring and shit. Philly's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. There were still some dudes at the spot. Like I met up with some of them and shit. But then like I wanted to get something to drink, right? When I came back, they weren't even there. So I was like, bruh. Cause I think they were gonna have like a little mini ride thing of their own. But it's whatever. Bro, I have to stay here till like 11, bro. That's when my fucking train comes for me to dip. Back to New York. Shit crazy, shit crazy. But yeah, Philly's a fucking W. I fuck with Philly, even though I didn't get to fucking have a ride out because it got canceled. But it's whatever, it's all cool. See, I would swerve this cop over here, but I kind of feel like a pussy. Wait, this guy might give me an excuse. Oh nah, someone's in it, bro. I'm good. This ain't my hood, bro. That's right. Cool, what's in here? I don't even know where I'm going now, but Okay. We in some kind of parking garage. Yeah, that's crazy. That shit really got canceled. Let's go to the roof. Damn, bro. Finally, we at the top. This shit actually takes forever. Oh shit, hella cop cars. Helly. Let's go on this side or be safe, bro. Look at the city though. That shit looks fire, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, we got a train coming. Nah, I can't. Oh, I don't know if you see it, but yeah, Philadelphia is cool as shit, bro. I fuck with Philadelphia. It's crazy that this is Pennsylvania. It doesn't feel like this is Pennsylvania, cause like Pennsylvania to me is like the trees and like the fucking grass and shit. But like we don't have that here, you know what I mean? Like this is a whole city fucking in Pennsylvania, bro. I mean, Pennsylvania to me is like the trees and like the fucking woods and shit. But yeah, this shit dope. Bro, that place I was at before, I went to fucking sleep. I literally knocked for like a good like 2 hours. That's crazy, bro. That ride out got canceled, bro. So technically I never even had my first ride out in Philly. But hey man, I've been to Philly, you know. Yeah, this shit fire. Hell yeah. I gotta go home at like fucking 11 at night. So yeah, it's like fucking 5 I think, or 4. We chillin'. I might smoke here, bro. This shit chill. I gotta fucking pee so bad, bro. Holy shit, you don't understand. I wonder how that even looked on this. But yeah, Philly's a wave. Look, you see the city behind me and shit. We chilling, bro. It's still crazy how that ride out got canceled. It didn't even fucking rain literally the whole time. It's 5. Bro, it's like 5 now and it didn't even rain like anything. I think the whole time I was here it drizzled for like literally 10 seconds. No joke. But yeah, hey man, maybe I should pop out here again for another ride out, I guess, cause I still never got to ride through this shit like that, you know what I mean? Like a gang or whatever. I'm vibing, I'm chilling. Yo, my camera, oh my god. That scared the fuck out of me. Yo, I gotta pee so bad, oh my god. Look at beautiful Philly over there, yes sir. Woo. Bro, this parking garage is actually dope as fuck. I don't even think it has like a single camera in it, so that's fire. Like, look, you could just fucking bring a bitch here and pipe her, bro. Like, hold up, bro. Bend her over here. Look, you got a nice little view and shit. Ooh. Yeah, imagine I dropped my bag, bro. I'd actually be, like, mad. Imagine I dropped the GoPro. Oh, my God. I'd fucking cry. But, yeah, we got that C100. Bro, I might get, like, fucking wheel strips, reflective wheel strips. That should be pretty hot. This one grip's color kind of annoys me. It's not that bad, but I wish it was like something else. But yeah, that C100 looking pretty clean, okay. I'm probably gonna end this video like right here though. I'm just gonna go back to the fucking roof. What's fucking the roof? I'm gonna just put the highest floor. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna end this video and shit. Look, we in a fucking elevator. That's fire. Damn, we already here. Oh, it is the roof. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna end this video here. Like, I'm just probably gonna smoke here and shit. We in Philly though. Bro, it looks like it's gonna rain, but I swear it's probably not. You wanna see frame? Fuck me, bro. Let me take my bag off. I suck cock. Bro, I always hit the fucking spokes. Bro, I want pegs on this bitch, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I hope I could do it and it's like not bad or anything. Cause I kinda wanna learn how to combo, bro. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, I wanna learn how to combo. What the fuck, bro? Like, how? What? Oh, my chain popped off. Yeah, I'm done. My chain popped off. And I gotta dirty the fuck out my hand to put it back on. Great. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna end this shit, bro. Fuck it. Look, that's just fucking pop, bro. That's crazy. I'm done. Toot, toot, toot.
Yeah.